Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make the hopping kangaroo toy. What the? Let's get into it! Let's get into it! For this toy, I'm just using a scrap piece of 1x material. I just used some spray adhesive to glue the template down on my piece of wood. I use my bandsaw to cut out these pieces, but you could also use a scroll saw or a coping saw or a jigsaw. I don't have an oscillating sander, so I got some sanding bits for my drill press and it worked out really well. I used a file to smooth out the hole in the body of the kangaroo so that the dowel would spin freely. Once all the pieces were cut out and the holes were drilled, I used a heat gun to remove the template. Now you could just sand them off if you don't have a heat gun. I'm going to keep this toy natural wood, so I just coated it with a couple coats of spray-on shellac. I really like this stuff because it dries really fast, so you can put on multiple coats in a really short amount of time. The template to make this walking kangaroo toy is available in lots of places online, including our own website. So make sure you hit the link in the description below to print out your own free copy. Alright, our hopping kangaroo toy is finished. This was a quick and easy woodworking project and a great way to practice your bandsaw or scroll saw skills. Now the reason my board is covered in blue paper towels is because this is a friction driven toy, and with all the shellac and sanding that I've done to it, I made the feet so incredibly smooth that I removed all traction whatsoever, so it just slid down the board. But with just a few paper towels, it creates just enough friction that it works properly. Now getting this to work properly can sometimes be tricky, which makes it a great challenging toy for any small child or someone like me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We have tons of projects like this on our channel, so make sure to head over there, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear what you thought of this project in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it!